My name is Katerina Chernevskaya. I'm living in Bulgaria. I'm MVP in BizApps and MCT, Microsoft Certified Trainer. I've been working as a senior software architect for several years. And in my professional career, in my project, I'm focusing on the synergy of the low-code products like Power Platform and AI capabilities. Since last year, my team and I recognized that a lot of companies would like to know more about AI capabilities and to integrate in their projects, in their day-to-day work life. IT professionals and developers and software architects who would like to know more about how to leverage AI capabilities, mostly provided by Microsoft, how to create prompt flows, how to evaluate them, how to optimize them, and what prerequisites they need to prepare to deploy in the Azure portal to be successful in these projects. This workshop could be valuable also for data analytics project managers and consultants. We will start with fundamentals. We will start with how to create all requirements, prerequisites in your subscription, how to check if your subscription has enough quota to deploy everything that you need. They will know deeper what is going on in these projects and how to, for example, prepare a proper data set for training or for evaluation, how to manage results of evaluation of prompt flow, and how we can tune or customize our models to get better results and to improve accuracy. We will start with fundamentals. We will cover step by step from zero to hero. So it is not necessary to know how to work with prompt flow or with Azure AI Studio because it's a relatively new products. First prerequisite, everybody will need to bring their laptop, of course, because it won't be like a monologue from my side. We will have a lot of labs. We will have hands-on experience. So laptop and Azure subscription. Microsoft portal and grab your own free subscription. We do not recommend to use your subscription that you are working with at your company because have sensitive information, and we do not want to affect this information that we already have in our environment. Any policies, any settings that could affect our experience during the workshop. Fresh new subscription, totally for free. It will have $200 credits that you can leverage. It will be totally enough for all our resources, for all our experiments that we will provide during the workshop.
Everybody is welcome to register until the last day, until 12th of September. We will have the registration open still. And it will be 13th of September. It is Friday from 9 to 4 o'clock. So whole day. Lunch is covered, and tea and coffee and some sweet will be also served.
Thank you very much, and I'm looking forward for this workshop and encourage everybody to register, and hope to see everybody of you soon.